Good morning, my YouTube friends. Today we are off to West Coast Triumph in Glasgow, the opening of the new showroom. So I don't actually know where I'm going. It's down here somewhere. Ah, there it is. How'd I get it? Right folks, that's us just parked up. Busy, so let's go and see what's happening. Tiger 900 that I quite like. Maybe a wee bit on the tall side, definitely need the low ride height version. And a 12. We'll get a Triumph 660. That feels really light actually, sat in that really light. Tiger 900 that time. I think that's the kind of green cover. So look at some of the Scramblers, gold line. Look at the Scrambler 900, I really like this one. Especially that red colour. Another street Scrambler. They're really nice. This one's got a lovely suede seat. I'm surprised how comfortable that was actually. I didn't think I'd like that, but I do. And then of course you get the Bonnies. Now that's nice, but wait till you see this one. The colour scheme on this is absolutely stunning. Bonneville T120. That blue and white is gorgeous. Real classic looking bike. Of course you can get it in a few different colourways, but that would be my choice. Beautiful. And just the wee details, so Triumph across the support, the front mudguard. Doesn't actually have a carburetor. Speedmaster. Another Speedmaster. I think this is my favourite one with the black and white colour scheme. Beautiful. Really comfy as well. Moving across, we've got a T120. You go up to your Speed Twins. Really like the look of this. Not as traditional looking as your other Bonnevilles, but really nice. T120 again. Next to this burnt orange Speed Twin. That colour's great. That colour, really nice. Thruxton RS. I had a seat in that. Nah, it's not for me. It's a wee bit too aggressive seat position. My back wouldn't cope. Some of the used inventory. I've always liked the look of the American proper big cruiser. 2015 with 5,300 miles at 8 grand. Of course, being a main dealer, it's not just bikes, you've got all the accessories as well, so we've got a full helmet range here. And over on the far wall, you've got all your clothing and other accessories, jackets, everything you could possibly need. Casual gear as well, not just bikey gear, so lots of casual gear. Triump t-shirts. Six 1971 Trailblazer 250, this orange bike here. '64 Tiger 100. It's kind of hard to see. 75 Trident 750. It's not that different really when you look at it from what's on offer today. And of course you've got a trusty 660. I tested one of them a couple of years ago, just before it came out. The guys playing in the band. So I think my favourite has to be this T120. Absolutely gorgeous. Triple 1200 RS. Right guys, well that was a good wee trip up to West Coast Triumph. Got some lovely bikes on display there. Lots going on. Nice workshop tour as well. Looks a fantastic workshop, all the latest gear as you would expect. So thanks very much for joining me along with this one today. I hope you enjoyed it, a wee bit different. And who knows, maybe one day I'll get myself on a Triumph. That blue Bonneville was beautiful. Right, thanks all. Ride safe. Cheerio.